Faisalabad, where local time is 14 minutes past 11 a.m. and the outside temperature is 18 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and a fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. There are no further restrictions on using your electronic devices and mobile phones. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as the items may have shifted during landing. Before leaving, check your baggage and the seat pockets in front of you. On behalf of Flyby, SmartWings and our coach partners, would like to thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to seeing you on board soon. Once again, I would like to sincerely apologize for the delay of the aircraft, which was caused by the delayed arrival of the